In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for sold homes on Zillow. Whether you're a prospective home buyer, an investor, or simply someone curious about real estate trends, knowing how to navigate Zillow's vast database of property information can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Zillow's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good idea to create one. Logging in allows you to save your searches and set alerts for properties that might interest you. It's a straightforward process, so once you're logged in, you're ready to start exploring. Next, let's set our sights on finding sold properties. Navigate to the Buy tab on the Zillow homepage. This is typically where you'll start any real estate search, as it holds the key to all available listings. However, we're focusing on a specific aspect today: sold homes. Once you're on the Buy page, you'll see a map interface. Here, we'll want to adjust our filters to hone in on the right properties. One effective way to expand your search is to click on the Remove Boundary option, which lifts any geographical restrictions and allows you to view listings over a wider area. This can be particularly useful if you're open to different neighborhoods or cities. Now switch your attention to the For Sale dropdown. Click on it, and you'll notice an option for Sold. Go ahead and enable this option. Doing so will switch the listings from homes currently on the market to those that have recently been sold. With the sold filter engaged, it'll be important to apply other relevant filters to narrow down your results further. You can do this by clicking on the Apply button. This ensures that your custom search settings are reflected in the homes displayed on your screen. After applying your chosen filters, you'll see the listings updated to reflect sold properties in your selected area. Congrats! You now have a list of properties that have recently been sold, providing you with data that could be vital for market analysis or future purchasing decisions. Finally, let's refine your list a bit. At the top, there's a Sort By drop-down menu where you can organize your results based on different criteria. You might choose to sort by date sold, price, or any other factor that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively search for sold homes on Zillow. This process allows you to gather insights about the housing market, giving you a stronger footing in any real estate endeavor. Thanks for joining today, and happy house hunting.